This is a delicious sambal shrimp recipe you won't find anywhere else. Let's get started. First, we're gonna butterfly the shrimp. Then, use a knife to remove the intestinal tract. Give it a quick rinse and pat it dry with a paper towel. Now toast the candlenuts in a pan. Heat it up and toast until golden brown. I'll be using this ABC shrimp paste today. Just slightly fry both sides and it's ready to use. Now prep the aromatics. Cut the shallots. Cut the chilies. You can remove the seeds if you don't like it too spicy. Peel the garlic. Slice fresh galangal and remove the skin by cutting around the edges. And repeat the same for the fresh turmeric. Now in a food processor, add the chilies, garlic, shallots, galangal, turmeric, shrimp paste, candlenut, and a little bit of oil. Blend until fully combined. In a pan on medium-high heat, add the blended ingredients with some oil. Once it starts to sizzle, reduce to medium-low and continue to cook. Now we add the bangao. Bangao is a popular Indonesian soy sauce, sweet, dark, and full of umami. I recommend grabbing a bottle. I also use it for my satay peanut sauce. Now season with salt and palm sugar. Keep cooking for 5 to 10 minutes until the color deepens. Give it a taste and adjust to your liking. Now brush the shrimp skin side up with the sambal sauce. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Once it's done, flip the shrimp and brush on more sauce. Then finish with one more round at 2 minutes. And that's it! Sambal shrimp, ready to serve. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.